Welcome to the thrilling world of Werewolf Hunters. Are you ready to unleash your inner hunter and embark on an exciting adventure? Get ready to burn LycanChain using the Flamestrike burning protocol and earn fantastic rewards while hunting down those cunning werewolves. Starting your journey is super easy. With just a few taps, you can create your account in seconds. Enter your details, and voila, you're ready to join the hunt. Let's get started. Now it's time to get into action. Simply tap the screen to hunt those werewolves. Each tap allows you to burn LycanChain with the Flamestrike protocol, and in return, you'll earn exciting rewards. The more you tap, the more you earn. So keep that finger ready.
But wait, there's more. We have 12 thrilling levels for you to conquer. Each level brings tougher werewolves and bigger rewards. The higher you climb, the more you earn, so keep tapping and leveling up for the ultimate hunting experience.
Don't forget to spin the wheel. Every day, you get 10 lucky spins that can significantly boost your earnings. Each spin gives you the chance to unlock additional burns and exclusive rewards. Make sure to log in daily and take advantage of these spins. To maximize your potential, remember to use LycanChain as your primary burning mechanism. This unique feature not only helps you burn tokens through the Flamestrike protocol, but also opens the door to fantastic rewards within the game. Make every burn count. Need an extra edge? Activate those boosters. They amplify your tapping power, doubling the speed and effectiveness of each tap. With a smart approach, you'll watch your rewards grow faster than ever. With multi-tap feature, you can multiply your taps to toques and feel the difference instantly. Each tap, the boost doubles your impact, accelerating your progress and maximizing your rewards in no time. Looking to tap even more? Our energy storage feature allows you to increase your tap counts significantly. More taps mean more opportunities to burn LycanChain and earn rewards, so make sure to utilize this feature to its fullest potential. Meet the Tapping Guru, your ultimate ally in boosting your earnings. This incredible feature multiplies each tap by 5x. That means every tap you make counts as 5. Use the Tapping Guru wisely to maximize your rewards and climb the leaderboard. In the world of Werewolf Hunters, weapons are key. Upgrade your weapons, each boasting unique strengths and abilities. The stronger your weapon, the more efficient your hunts become. Invest in upgrades to maximize your burning potential and earnings. Express your style by customizing your wolf with unique skins. Not only do these skins look fantastic, but they also enhance your game potential and tapping power. Collect and upgrade skins to gain an edge in your hunting adventures. Join the Lycan ecosystem for even more benefits. Unlock special features like purchasing LycanChain, joining the Werewolf Exchange, and gaining access to exclusive airdrops in the blockchain metaverse. The opportunities are endless. Want to boost your earnings further? Engage with daily tasks? Complete simple challenges? Join our vibrant Telegram community, watch videos to earn rewards, and refer friends for incredible bonuses? The more you participate, the more you earn. Connecting your wallet is a breeze. We'll securely store your wallet address, making it easy for you to manage your earnings. This way, you can focus on hunting while we take care of the rest. Ready to cash in on your rewards? It's as easy as connecting your wallet. Your wallet address is safely stored, making it a breeze to convert your earnings into LycanChain whenever you want. You're always in control of how and where you spend your rewards. Now that you know the ropes, it's time to dive in. Start playing, play more, and earn as you want. The adventure awaits. Tap to burn, earn incredible rewards, and make your mark in the world of Werewolf Hunters with the Flame Strike burning protocol. Happy hunting!